Get a more stylish and high-tech look with 6000K bright white light. Whether it's your phone, your keys, or some spare change, we've all had to search for misplaced items in a dark car. With Philips LED interior lighting, you get a bright, uniformly diffused light. Philips Ultinon LED lights are direct replacements for conventional bulbs. They're easy to install and available for a wide range of interior and exterior applications. Up to 8-year lifetime. With Philips Ultinon LEDs, your lighting will be on the cutting edge now, and for years to come. Top reviews from the United States. Good fit, works perfectly. DE3175 festoon style bulb, fits the cargo area of Nissan Rogue. The metal contacts just fit right in. Philips can improve the manufacturing process. I see a dark speck inside the tube, probably blow air before you assemble the unit. Other than that, light looks good.